Hello, this is the Honda CRM 250 AR that we bought off the internet without viewing first. So the CRM 250 is a 250cc two-stroke. It's a road legal trail bike. Fits between a full-on motocross bike and the things like the CRF 250L four-strokes. So what's good about this two-stroke engine is it has a lot of low-down torque, which is unusual for a two-stroke. So it's actually good for trail riding because it's got a wide spread of torque. We bought this bike off the internet without going to see it. Now that is a bad idea and we're going to show you why. This is a bike that we've been looking for a while and took the opportunity to get this one from down south. We didn't see it first, we didn't view it. We just had some conversations and was sent some photographs. Now all the photographs were from a distance where the bike looked mint, and when the bike arrived that wasn't the case. So we're going to have a good look around now and see what's good and bad about the bike and what we need to fix in the future. So in this little mini series we'll be going over the bike, fixing anything that needs doing and just tidying everything up. It is a 20-year-old trail bike that has been used off-road, so some wear and tear is to be expected, like the dents there in the dep exhaust and the wear on the engine casing. Now some of this rust and things we can tidy up. We may strip this down and take this apart, get all the frame back nice and tidy. So a few things that aren't standard on the bike. As you'll see, it didn't have the original clocks, which we weren't aware of, and the wiring behind there is a bit of a mess. Some of this here, we're not actually sure what that is and what it does. And some of the wiring down here isn't quite up to my standard. It does have different wheels to standard, which are quite nice, and some knobbly Enduro tyres on there at the moment. But overall, it's just a little bit rough around the edges, and hopefully we can smarten this up and get it looking something to be proud of. It does have some new decals on it, which make it look pretty good. So we'll just get the rest of the bike up to the same sort of standard and get it looking tidy. How far we go with this bike is yet to be decided. Do we do a full strip and tear down every nut and bolt, or do we just tidy it up as it is and get it used? We'll be looking for some original clocks for this to get them back to standard and tidy up all that wiring, and then we'll see about what we're going to do with the rest of the bike and strip down and tidy things up. I hope you'll join us on this little project and stick with us as we work on this bike. But that's it for now, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.